Okay, today I'm going to be looking at the Philips Hue tap dial switch, not to be confused with their previous version, which was the tap switch, which was a mechanical switch, didn't need batteries, you just relied on you pressing it with enough force and that generated the power. This one's completely different, the tap dial switch. This is battery powered, and let's have a see what we get in the box today. So here we go. Have a look. First opening, and we get a little note in there from Signify saying thank you very much, that's compliance. Another little package in here. Let's have a look at this, shall we? Philips Hue. Let's have a look. A little, what I think this is going to be all of the lovely manuals. Yep, we have user manual, legal manual, I'll definitely read that later. Recycling instructions, that's very handy because I've just got it. And then the actual manual. Right, let's put it over there. Manual, I'll look at that later. And I'll see what's in the rest of the box. Hopefully, the switch itself. Take that out. Now let's see what we've got here. Okay. That's a bit of packaging with nothing else in it, so let's put that over there. And now we get into the switch itself. Let's open this. Nice bit of packaging. Take the switch out. There. And switch. Let's have a look here and see how we get into this. Okay, this looks a little bit of a challenge. I really want to tear it if I don't have to. Oh, a ring cover that comes off there. I think, aha, because it's magnetic, I can take that off. And then carefully, he says carefully, slide, there we are, that out. So here we've got the backing plate. A little bit to tell you which way is up. 2 strips of 3M foam tape on the back, and then the switch itself. A little cover to cover the magnetic section. You can see where it mates to that top section in there. Oh, that's nice. That's a nice. That is a nice fit. Clunk, clunks onto there. Oh, got to do that again. I'll do like that, and then we got the switch itself, which is that's nice. And then 1, 2, 3, 4 buttons. A bit of a rubber edge around there, so which is quite nice. Well, there we are. That's what we get. Unboxing of the Philips Hue tap dial switch. If you're interested in buying one, there will be links in the description. At no extra cost to yourself, and join me later when I will be reviewing this and seeing what it can do for you, or do for me actually. Hope you found this useful. If you've got any questions, leave them in the comments and I'll do my best to answer them. Till next time, thank you very much.